Hi everyone. Fruits name: golden cherry, grapefruit, wild jackfruit, kadamba, quince, wood apple, sugarcane, breadfruit, babacos, coconut, palm fruit, tamarillo, fig, jamun fruit, nectarine, ackee, salak, star apple, persimmon, tamarind, kiwana, noni fruit, loquat, cashew apple, cranberry, white currant, cloudberry, bilberry, elderberry, tayberry, rosehip, green gooseberry, red banana, green apple, green water apple, rose water apple, egg fruit, mulberry, apricot, peach, grapefruit, grapes, kumquat, dates, custard apple, cagfruit, rambutan, pomegranate, mangosteen, raspberry, blueberry, lychee, strawberry, cherry, apple, kiwi, sapotilla, longan, dragon fruit, green grapes, durian fruit, ice cream fruit, gooseberry, banana, orange, jackfruit, star fruit, avocado, mango, watermelon, muskmelon, papaya, passion fruit, pineapple, mosambi, guava, longan. Thanks for watching.